How to create blank documents using Canva. Now, here's Canva with the new look. As you may know or may not know yet, Canva is all glowed up now, as you can see in the header here. And actually did change a little bit the how it actually looks like, the home page and so on. So how do we actually go ahead and create a blank page? So there are a few ways. The most common way and the easiest way, which you should always use, is if you just go to the canva.com homepage, you should find all of these templates here, but then you can find the custom size one, which is pretty much a blank page where you can just go ahead and select the size for it as well. So just go ahead and click on custom size here, and then from here you can just feel free to add the size that you want. So you can just go ahead and enter the size that you want, and it can actually suggest a few in here for you. So for example, this one, and it's just going to open up that specific size for us, and it is pretty much a blank document here for us, where we can just go ahead and add elements to it and everything. Now we can always just go to the add page at the bottom, and it's just going to do that for us over and over again as well. So that's also one way to do it. Now if you just go back to Canva, and if we just click on create design on the top left, we can actually be redirected to that same space again, or we can just go ahead and create the empty document from here, and we can actually change the units to inches, millimeters, and centimeters and so on. But yeah, what we can also do, instead of actually entering a custom size ourselves, what we can do is just go ahead and go to one of these options here, for example websites, and it's just going to open up some websites for us here, like templates to choose from, or for example docs here. And maybe we can just go ahead and find one that we like the size of, for example this one. And then it's not going to be a blank page obviously, but what we can do is, if we just zoom out a little bit, because this is way too zoomed in here for me, what we can actually do is just go ahead and start deleting everything. So just go ahead and delete everything that you can see. Just go ahead and do Control A, delete, and in here I believe we have just removed everything. So we can just go ahead and start adding our elements here instead, and we have this blank page for us to use. So now I believe we showed you two different ways to do so, and you can always just go back to Canva and just go ahead and go to the top here and search for a specific, for example, Instagram post. And we can actually see that we have the size now for Instagram post. We can just go ahead and click on that. And then once we click on that, we can just click on create a blank Instagram post, and it's just going to give us that specific size in a blank form. So those are three different ways to actually use or create blank documents in Canva. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.